1st April, Easter Monday, Fufu party, ye jinem tim we ye de ato wadro mu ede wo ma awo. For ayo abra, bedi di free and fa woni ni padodo a obeba. Ba medical catch say before that, Easter so e wo ho. Wonim say Easter so de nyadro ye kwawu untumi nyim free multimedia nsem. Enti yakopon ya domo a ya wada ebe ye kwakwawu efiada by now ni ejirem wakwawu memenda ni ejirem kwasiada ni ejirem ye wie kwasiada ni aba down na se ejwada fufuo party e de to so multimedia de ya now they are said na menkodi kwawu nkomo so kakra na memenya me invite ye hwe ne fe hwe na kono omo ya we se me ba Easter kwawu ntino na so mbe me invite na we ye KWAHU Citizens Pre-Easter 2024 homecoming dinner and fundraising na menya akosi eske aha de di kan de ya Chantel akosia sika osika tena se ya oni ebedi emu enkomo ye pa okay de se enimani mu he ya o ayo esika ebombo ko de
ami Adom na
o nyakopon go sisira ye pa KWAHU Citizens Pre-Easter 2024 homecoming dinner and fundraising ye di adwumadi a kire mu kire ye ne aye hwe no
oh okay meda wase na medo bibia o hwe yen so ase say mama ya kwanya way to come and advertise the program KWAHU Citizen Pre-Easter no a program be a common global network in conjunction with KWAHU Development Association and that's what many say every year biano they would have a program more or less like KWAHU for Ember Christmas. Their Christmas is Easter.
Yeah.
It's KWAHU for more money, omo Ghana. So during that time, no, yeah, more money, more Ghana, no, will come together and see each other, connect, and then more or less like celebrate their Christmas.
Okay.
During this program, no, yeah, the Jumedi be to you, so your friend adopt a village in KWAHU Foundation, and then Nina say every year during this ceremony and this event, you know. After say aji no ya be keka yen sa ase kaka ne aye benya no we adopt a village in KWAHU and then do something that will affect positive change.
Okay, na say abrochire fo nyina be hia Ghana fo nyina be hia because KWAHU dey homecoming mu hia wi a mu bedidi kakra na makeka monsase mu wi na mapa KWAHU kuro ba ko ya ehia moa se nsuo no mu hia na mu de se sika na kotu school dan ya na makosi okay
into this year no ya adopt in Chinchine Community Health Center Community Health Center. Okay. No corner who said in a condition a woman no it's very poor and then we all know say KWAHU people we are very proud of who we are and as sabi empeni for so nyame sure mato monsem no omunja kronum even though the government is doing its best they want to support in their own way to develop KWAHU said about KWAHU be yes so we envisage a future where that chibino KWAHU Krobia Obekoso, KWAHU Baby Obekono. Education is perfect, excellent healthcare. Kronankasani insure bibia we here obetimi watsena KWAHU mauno. It will be available to you.
No na mo anyame ato mo nsem no keka mo nsa na mo ye no kakra
one village at a time. Until I to adopt a village to bridge the gap. Until we envisage a future where one day no KWAHU be krabeshe all the villages in KWAHU will be like the city to say Accra would say it's Legon and I say to Trasako we want to have that in KWAHU
it is hard na e be koso da be
pa church na yeah
ochina
pa church na Saturday intina ya to the pre-Easter a week before Easter
okay
intina East Legon American House of the Ajingano Road Kobe's Event Center 7 p.m.
okay
and a program no na ye jina ha invited guests nyina chawa ne nkofo a ye to yensa from say actually program no we expecting say omu nyina will come in their numbers yembe giyeni no so na ye keka yensa say na Nchene Health Center no so no afa ne ntuma pay fra ye vision na no
okay eti yankopon ya do mo china 7 p.m. Kobe's Event Banquet Hall East Legon American House Ajenga no kwan so wo enkra ha okay ntina say moto nsafre wo mo amo invite wo mo obi a wonte
ene obi a
KWAHU da na koma so say
so person contributing na KWAHU be krabehwe because what we need to say there we are championing everything that we are doing and yet the impending for us because they are doing well. As I'm talking to you individually, in penning for companies and institutions, if you call individually, the adopted village individually are one ADC schools, ADC hospitals, and they've done tremendous work. That's why I say yeah, Paul much I say no member.
Okay.
No so this Saturday
wow.
Yeah, count on them. So that's the program never can send a for any dano.
Mate, me da say I was said no hakosia sika and eka say we e yakwo fo a mokeka mo ho abomu na mo hie mu mo di bibi kakra na obi ayi bibi kakra nso ato na oma konkronkuma ya omuhia mwa school dan yo ensuo enuane odie yo na omo de akoma sa nkofo se be ye nkoba se bi so obi wo krokuma bi mu no yare a eje se ne ba betifi ansa na obenya yare sa da bi enti Nyankopon ya Adom ochina 7 pm wo mu nyina enhia na me hu se contact bi wa ha
me pa cha
event organizer number
pa cha
say obi person wo fra until the bomb yes
enti so person offer to support, donate. We are accepting support in any form or any kind. Say yes, cement, iron rods, roofing sheet. Maybe be our person that supported this initiative. No, call the number 0545 710 975. My sign says CBM 0545 710 975. Ofra me and me peke kono. Information be out about the program, the future of the program, and everything on Sabeka.
Okay. Next, I don't know. Chantel, akosi sika no the contact no. It was 0545 710 975. Ofra, Mr. Focus no. Say ye jiji sika ne mwa. Ne de akoboa omanfo. Nya afi na sister ho afro, na sister waware. Na ye me hu TV super na me hu de me ho. Mr. ye nya ndu ho. Yenni kwawu ho nkomo wate abusia ma mefa we information ma sorry Kel brands e na ka say e Kel we amejire bia na ma spell amount Kel 360 toothpaste e be ba wo sen aye fita ye kama wanum benya hoden na atiapo Kel kit toothpaste e ye nkwada de enti akwada na oba tan wo kwa kone koto na ma o ma no twitwiri wo sen every 2 years akopem 6 years e mo mo sena hoden ansa na wa graduate to Kel 360 na Kel chapo toothpaste de omode bidie afra no e ma o se pai fita no e no so e wo hope do atu a 0593 809227 and 0246 865798 na Kel for e beje so ye na ye homra tell ye ba enkomachiche ne bia kecha na chwa ba me de betwa so